Okay, so you're looking at a euro dollar, 240 minute or 4-hour chart. Now, as we can see here, this is what I'm looking at in the market right now. Let me show you the daily real quick. This is the daily chart I have, and let me refresh this so you can take a look. This is a daily chart of the euro dollar, and as you can see, very strong downtrend for a long time, and then boom, it hits below 120, and then it reverses into what I thought was a correction or retracement within the downtrend, and I was looking for that those shorting opportunities, which we got some shorting opportunities there. For example, here, this breakdown of this triangle, that was a good shorting opportunity, and then it did a steep retracement on the daily chart, and then it broke down there. That for me was a possibility for going short. It didn't work out too well because right after another retracement, and then back down. As you can see here, a breakdown of this little retracement here went to this support line, which was the bottom of the prior triangle. Okay, and then it just shot up and went above 125, and we've stayed above 125 for the past week or so. Okay, so right now, are we still in a downtrend? Possibly, but as I've said many times in many of my webinars in the past several weeks, if it broke above 125 once again, then at that point I would have doubts as to whether or not this downtrend was really as strong as as it has been since December of 2009. So anyway, as you can see here, a little bit of a reversal pattern here. If you want to call this inverted head and shoulders, you can. I'm not telling you not to, but it's a very, very rough type of head and shoulders reversal pattern. Am I saying that euro's going to go all the way up? Not necessarily, but I'm looking for other key price levels. So let's take a look here at the euro dollar 4-hour chart. As we can see, once we broke out above 125, which was a key level for me, okay, we retraced back to 125, and then we went back up from there, and we hit this resistance level here, which goes back here where there was a prior turn at around 126.70. Okay, so far we've done a little bit of a break to the upside above 126.70, and then we got a downtrend resistance line here. If we break out strongly above these two, I'm looking at possibly more on a shorter time frame basis. I'm looking possibly for more upside on euro dollar. And possibly I got a target up here at 131. Okay, that's a key upside target if in fact euro dollar has the upside momentum at this point. To go further up, I have 131 as a possible upside target. So lots of weird things going on. Everyone basically, most of the market, most of the analysts, lots and lots of traders were short euro, but this whole thing that occurred in the past several weeks has been a little bit mind-boggling, but we are in sort of a consolidation here with some bullishness on euro, and if it does break through strongly, then again, I'm looking at 131. Now, very, very importantly, this is the British pound against the U.S. dollar. Okay, so if you take a look here, this is a month-long. This is a 4-hour chart. It's a month-long uptrend channel, parallel uptrend channel, pretty well formed, as you can see. This low down here was the June low in early June, and so this occurs within a month-long situation. So during this month-long situation where we had this parallel uptrend channel, we had many, many opportunities within this uptrend to play breakouts of these counter-trend retracements. So that, again, is one of my main trading principles, playing breakouts of counter-trend retracements or consolidations within the context of a trending situation. So we have a trending situation here, many opportunities here to play breakouts of counter-trend retracements. Now here, what do we have here most recently? We have a sideways ranging situation. We have a range anywhere from, and we just hit this, just today, we hit the sort of a triple top here, around 152.25 on cable, okay? That's a triple top situation here, and that formed the top of this sideways trading range, okay? And on the bottom here, we have around 150.80 is the bottom of the sideways trading range on the 4-hour chart. Now, what am I looking for? We saw some coming off this triple top. We had several candles moving down. Now, truthfully, I'm looking for a break to the upside or downside. Preferably, within this trend that we have going on here, I'm looking for a break to the upside because we're still in an uptrending situation, at least on the 4-hour chart, a month-long uptrend. If there's a strong break to the upside, what am I looking for? I'm looking possibly for a profit target at 153.50. Why 153.50? Because there are prior turns, at least on the longer term chart at around 153.50. So I'm looking to initially target that 153.50 on an upside break above this consolidation. Okay, we still are within this uptrend. An upside break would look for 153.50. A downside break, if it breaks to the downside, then this uptrend line would serve as a dynamic support for me. Okay, but if it breaks down below the uptrend line, and if it breaks down below key support at 150, then we got a whole different story there, and a possibility for a continuation of the long-term downtrend in British pound against U.S. dollar. So that's what I'm looking at. Upside resistance 152.25, downside 150.80. I'm looking for a breakout, and preferably to the upside.